Creating harmony, mastering the art of balance and unity in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, creating harmony. Often heard in music, relationships, and even work environments, this phrase holds a deeper meaning than you might initially think. Let's explore how this concept can not only enhance your English vocabulary but also your understanding of cultural and interpersonal dynamics. Before we talk about creating harmony, let's understand what harmony itself means. In music, harmony is the combination of simultaneously played notes that produce a pleasing effect. But in everyday language, harmony refers to a peaceful state where everything coexists without conflict. It's about balance, cooperation, and forming a beautiful, united whole. When people live or work in harmony, they are in agreement, and they support each other in a positive way. Now, let's focus on the term creating harmony. It's not just about having harmony but actively building or fostering it. This can mean, in relationships, encouraging open communication, understanding, and respect among family, friends, or colleagues. At the workplace, fostering a collaborative environment where everyone's contributions are valued, and conflicts are resolved constructively. In oneself, balancing different aspects of life, work, family, personal interests, and health, to achieve inner peace and contentment. Creating harmony might sound challenging, but with the right approach, it's definitely achievable. Here are some practical tips. Communicate openly. Share your thoughts and listen to others. Understanding different perspectives is key to creating harmony. Be flexible. Sometimes, compromise is necessary. Being rigid can disrupt harmony, while flexibility can help maintain it. Show appreciation. Recognize the efforts and contributions of others. A simple thank you can go a long way in fostering harmonious relationships. Creating harmony is about more than just avoiding conflict. It's about actively fostering an environment of cooperation, understanding, and balance. Whether in your personal life, in your relationships, or at your workplace, remember that creating harmony can lead to a more fulfilling and peaceful existence. We hope this video helps you in your journey to not only learn English but also to appreciate the beauty of creating harmony in various aspects of life. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and happy learning!